Good day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Corazon Oreo, single. I recently residing at Northern Samar.
Tell me about your working experience.
Yes, madam. I have working experience as domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. Rinaldo Morada since 2010 up to present.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
Yes, madam. My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of babies.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, madam. I know how to take care of newborn baby by feeding them milk, formula every 3 to 4 hours, and bulb the baby every after feeding. Change the diaper, send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby, give vitamins, and take their body temperature and cleaning their feeding bottles.
What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
Yes, madam. I will keep the diaper wet, or I will check if baby is hungry. But if stop crying, then I will inform my employer if baby is crying for a long time already.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, madam. I'm willing to take care of elderly person, even the bedridden. Since I have my grandparents, so I will take care the elder like my grandparents by helping them with their needs, like taking their foods and medicine.
How would you handle a naughty children?
Yes, madam. I will be handle a friendly like the playful with them. I could get their attention. I can care at naughty children by playing with them, sing song together with them, teaching them ABCD, reading books together and telling story, teaching them to read and write. By giving the love and care, teaching them good manners and right conduct.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam, I know how to cook, like a Filipino food, very well, like a tinola, sinigang, adobo, and many others. I also know how to simple cook Chinese dishes, like steamed fish fried, vegetable, fried rice, noodles, soup, and also willing to learn more.
Can you operate an electrical appliances?
Yes, madam. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and others.
Most of the employer in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, madam. I am very much willing to learn Cantonese so that I can fully understand them, especially elderly.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how would you handle this situation?
Yes, madam. I will make sure that the employer's children are safe and self-placed by putting into crib and giving them toys to play them. Then I will continue doing my work.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
Yes, madam, I will give it back to my employer.
What if during your day off then your employer asks you not to take day off because they have visitors, what will you do?
Yes, madam, I will not take my day off and serve employers together with the visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
I can I can win trust of my employer by doing my best to work hard and by doing honest and dedicated to my work and give importance to their things and properties. And I will trusted my passport to my employers the way that the employer trusts to me.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary given to the domestic helper, and this way I can help my family provide their needs.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Yes, madam, if you give me an opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that we'll work very hard to be obedient and trustworthy. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract without using any problem. Thank you.